Hello YouTube friends, welcome to the Red Parrot channel. I am your host, Mary Ellen. This is an episode of Junk Journal January, hosted by at Get Messy Art and at Meg Journals. They're both here on YouTube. They have websites and they have Instagrams under about the same name. Check them out for a list of prompts, a list of creators who are helping you out with each prompt, as well as I think there's a freebie from at Get Messy Art. So let's jump right in. Where are we at today? Where are we at? So we did interactive. Ooh, we're on nature. Yes. Okay. So I did preparation. I know it. And you only have one guess as to what I did to prep. If you said you colored some coffee filters, you would in fact be correct. So I got some colorways. Oh, golly, I love these. It's kind of like, I don't know. I can dream whatever color I want for paper, and I almost instantly get it. How wonderful is that? So we're on this page. Oops, daisy. So this was yesterday's, and it should probably be help out with some folding here. Get it a little bit flatter so that goes flippy. Oh, I just do love this one. Oh, and that one doesn't. There. And so I still haven't done the any embellishments on that, except beyond very pretty. And that's, I'm okay with that. So, nature. And I've got those two. So this is the colorway that I was kind of going after. And I feel inappropriately compelled to go to Michael's and get some more Tombow markers. I have enough markers. So nature, and we're sort of matching. So we're matching color as much as anything. No, no, no. Didn't we have trouble last time on which way it was facing? I'll take them out. No, all these bits, no, no. Fun image, but no. No. It kind of goes, but it kind of doesn't. My heart says no. That's what I would like. I like that. Okay, so, okay. Hold up. Mothers have been dressing up their little kids in adorable ways for a very, very long time. That would be funner if it was a different color. Maybe. Not sure. But I do like that. You know what? No, because this feels like air to me. And it's green. You know what? Yep. All right. We'll keep it. We'll keep it. I should take this out and put it in the book. But if I do that, I'm going to lose it. But I want to be able to put this on the inside cover or the back. Inside cover, yes. New. Not really. No. Maybe. be. Put them out. Her. Her-ish, maybe. Let's try. Every time, and so this is okay. This is not about the creator at all. There are some images that some people don't want to see, and that is one of the ones that creeps me out every time I see it. So it's okay to not throw it out, put it in the recycling bin. That is okay. Not every image is for everybody. And I am certain the creator understands that. Certain of it. Yes, so this is the one I wanted. There. It's kind of like my whole aversion to snakes. It's like, yeah, no, I don't need to. And you're not going to make me. No. Okay, so I think this is a really good exercise every time I'm doing it, and that is to create a subset and create from the subset. Because I find that a lot easier. So where are we at here? So I think she doesn't really go. Maybe it's just the birdhouse. The birdhouse and the birds. Birdhouse is closer. The birds are much farther away. Maybe that. That goes nicely with that, as does that. Okay, so maybe we can, famous last words, play around. So if I did that, or did some extension and made that sort of a super narrow card, or this a super narrow card. I think I got to get rid of the horns. Sad but true. Because I think that these two would go together and these two would go together. And I think I'm carrying over this whole flippy floppy thing, because I think that's kind of fun. Or maybe that's what I ought to do. I don't know. I don't have a point of view. That's what I don't have. Sometimes we can just go see Nancy, see if she's got any thoughts. Oh, here's another one. There we are. Oh, I so want to go thrifting and see if I can find any more of these books. Okay. Oh dear, she's dialing again. I'm making a long distance call. Good heavens. some pretty good words in here. So words like received a letter, lovely person, excellent actress, sends us a postcard. Nothing to do with nature so far. Oh, if you don't find hidden gold under one stone, you turn up another. Well, that's not awful. I'll probably have to trim it down into some kind of a space, but and that's Hannah Gruen. That's the German housekeeper who said that. Doesn't really have anything to do with anything. Just throwing that out there as well. Maybe that's what I do. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I think we've got a plan. So we're not going to use her. But what do I need? I want to make a card. Okay. So I want to make a card that goes this way, a narrower card that goes in that way, and this card is going to have, this is the background, and I'm going to cut out the sheep. The sheep. So, it's the French écrit par la foi. So, do I have enough? I do not. Pardon me. At least we have a plan. I know that's a white sheet, but oh well. Did I mention that it's minus 20 zillion outside? It's minus 20 zillion outside. It's 23 below. So she's a nippy one today. She's a nippy one. Here. Balls. I always try to be so economical when I do this. So one of the things that I want is, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut it out so I can just do that. We're fine. Good grief. How wide is this? It's about 4 inches. Oops. So there is, as they would say, nothing doing outside at the moment because no one wants to go anywhere. It's that cold. On the upside, I have a local green space that puts up an outdoor skating rink every year. And water's frozen. So as the rinks get frozen, the community has these little secret squirrel not meetings, but the people who want to play shinny at 1 o'clock in the morning will start trading notes about where they can go and so on and so forth. So there will be shinny at 1 o'clock in the morning. And if you think that is bonkers, try renting ice at that amount, at that hour, and see how expensive it is. It is bananas expensive. Ice rinks, indoor ice rinks, we have, I am sure, more than our fair share for a population. But we surely do have get them used, and they are at a premium. So that's why you have, if you are unfamiliar with you're familiar with but don't understand the Canadian meme of hockey parents getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning to take their kids skating, that is why. It's cheap ice. And that's just the ice. That's not the equipment, the skates, the sticks, all the things. Ice hockey is a very, very expensive sport. There we are. Okay, I should stop. So we've got that. Where's my little corner dewey? Here we are. Let's do a medium. Oops. There, okay. One done. So that's gonna fit into that and might need a tab. Then this is not gonna fit into that. So this, I said, was 4. So let's do, I don't know, 3? Let's do 3. Oh, that slipped. I recall Michelle at Shell's Creative Chaos mentioning that this is one of the things that she doesn't like about this ruler. Preach. You can purchase at a premium non-slips. And part of the reason why it slips is just not creating some stability, and then you're moving it. So it's the knife goes down, not goes in. See, that's why I have the blade down, because I just hit my hand with that. What a bonehead. Okay, so now for the fun stuff. Yes. Oh, it's already off. Here we are. Bash, 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 bash. I want to have that sort of yellow at the top. There we are. It's cheap, gorgeous paper. That's what it is. Cheap, customized, gorgeous paper. What am I gonna do? Let's see if we can do this. Is that gonna be fun? I'll try it at a 1/4 inch. One, 2. There's 3. There. And we cut and see the corners. I just want to make a fun border. Oops, I got glue out. There. There. And there. Doesn't that look yummy? Looks so yummy. Oh, okay, sorry, squirrel. Okay, so I need to start at the head because I don't know what to chop off. So we are just going to take off our wee little antlers. I think I'm starting on the wrong side. Here we are, that's what I should do. Let's see. Would be a nice anchor. Oh yes, it's a very nice anchor. Okay, now what? That's just goofy. Kind of like a tree. Maybe. I am contemplating what it needs. Not sure, so let us move on to that and that and that. And so we need, what do we need? We need let's use this. This is better. So what do I want to do? I want to create a pocket that goes in there with a flap that folds over. Do I need to do that? Yes, because doodle has got to go in that way. Okay. Let's just create some borders. Yeah? No? What am I doing? This needs a border. That needs a border. Okay, so that's about where it needs to go. So what am I talking about in terms of borders? So what am I doing? Yeah, that's okay. Yes, I need to do it flat first. Freaking myself out, good grief. So Rachel at Roxy Creations, and I don't know how she came upon this, if this was started because she is using 16th century paper that is gorgeous linen and it just lends itself to doing that, or there is just a technical use, which is also quite possible. She will regularly, okay, that is got to go kind of like that. She will regularly take something and then just, oh, and now I'm going to fold it over a bit, and it creates this basically a seam over 2 or 3 pieces of paper. So when a card goes down, it is hitting sort of a robust seam and tucks in, as opposed to jamming up against a couple of layers of paper. And it's a beautiful design. Oh, it's snowing. A design habit that she has. So we've got that. I want to fold this over. So I want to take this one out. So this is just taking out some of the bulk. There. And now I can fold some of this over like that. Okay. Oops. I didn't know it was supposed to snow today. Oh, everything's a surprise, isn't it? There. Okay. So the back one is the one that's going to come out. Ooh, that is not even. Oh well. So this is going to fold back like this. So when this card comes in, it's got that lip to bump against. And I need a wee little thumb hold. There we go. And then this is also going to be foldy over. And I don't need both of them. Just need one. There we are. So, oh, I gotta cut this. Now let's recap what I've done here. So I have made a front pocket for this one. I'll go in like that. And then I have made a back pocket with the gussets for this one. Okay, and I need some brown, sort of brown everybody up. There. This is almost like a tea card. Okay, so that one's going to go in there. And I want this to go on here. Oh, never glued that. I want to do something like that, I think. And then this will fit. Look at that. Okay, eye test. Where are we at for time? I've lost my clock. There. Okay, so I feel like that needs a little bit of weight. A half hour. Okay, ages to go. Ages to play around. So I need to, if you don't find, so hidden gold. I hope I can get 3 lines on this. I think this motto is about persistence. and also encouragement to keep at it. Okay, I need my little doodlies, my tweezers. It's definitely an outside spackle day. Meaning if you don't go out, if you go out and you don't have a face cream on, you are going to pay for it in dry skin. Because cold just sucks moisture out of the skin. And, oh. Trying to fix the word so it doesn't look like it's dashed. Good enough. Over here. It's also a behavior, I think, of animals, of if you don't find what you're looking for, like can see out my back 40, there's birds and squirrels and all that kind of stuff, and they're just messing around looking for seeds, and they have all day to play around. And yes, I do feed my birds. And I periodically will throw the squirrels a little bit. Something, because I'm not heartless. Okay, that works. That pops in there. If that goes all the way in, yeah, I probably need some kind of a tab for that. That's gonna go in just Jim Dandy. Putting a curve in a card is also a way of being able to help with the movement in and out of pockets, because at a point you can create kind of a point. This has got a point, it is sharp, but if you round it, then there is less of a fight, if you will. Okay, so we need to put some decorations on. What do we have for bits? Where's my little tin? Here's my little tin of bits. Just pulling that out to remind me. So I think, I just don't want to cover this up because it's so pretty. Well, if I don't want to cover it up, I don't have to. That's just the way that works. And I'm using the high test glue because I can, I guess. Because these coffee filters will stick, I think, quite nicely. Opens the up. There we are. Get straight over to there. Oh, it's so pretty. I didn't do that corner very well. There we are. That's better. There. Okay, so the jiggle. Sorry about that. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. See if there is enough space. Yes, there will be. I'm going to do that. Just like that. Beautifully matched. That's fab. Okay, okay, okay. Getting this bent back into shape. So popping that in there. Popping that in there. Now, what do we have for stickers? Wow. Well, gonna have a boo. So that makes no sense because it's a ticket. I need something that's kind of, I still want to use that 12 at some point. It's kind of stampy. What's this? Oh, it's a balloon. Dancers. Well, that's kind of fun. Ooh, Munchroos. Big bee. No. Maybe. I think it's soap, but it'll do in a pinch. I'm gonna have a look at that. Nope. Let's we might have enough. That's just super teeny tiny. No idea where I got these. Soups. Yeah, I don't need soups. I don't need a ticket. I think we might have enough. We'll just leave it be. Blah, 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 etc., etc. Und so weiter. Yep, okay. I'm gonna use that. Okay, so I wanted to have a look at this because this is interesting. This is kind of like the paper doll idea. And if I trim that right down and put that nostril there, I think that would be funky. Let's try. I kind of like that. It's slightly creepy. But she was a woman once. Okay, so nose to... Ah, come on, stop. Stop. There. That's pretty great. I'm gonna put it right side up. There we are. That creates some nice balance. What says at the bottom, love? There we are. Kind of like that. Okay, so we're working on that one aside for a sec. Let's go this way. Yep. It's a bird, but not a bird. Part of the scene, but not part of the scene. There we are. There's that. Now for the bird has. I'm going to use this one. Don't think the red will work. No, it will not. Maybe I got it from Taperlogy or Taperlogy or however you say that name. Because it's the same kind of sticker and the same size of sticker as the Christmas ones. So I'm going to assume that for the moment. Okay, so we've got that. Oh, that's stickered up. Got that. Got that. And I feel like I should do one of these. There we are. Oops, it's gonna fall. Or not. Let's see how this works. Oh, let's do it that way. So we fold one in. Let's fold this one in first. That one in that way. That one in that way. Oops, I could put the thing. Come on. You know how to tie a knot. So what I'm doing now is being super particular, and I want that red to be the top part of the knot. So there's a whole bunch of paper manipulation I'm trying to do. And it is so far not going well. Oh, that's stuck. Maybe I need to sort of scrumble it before I do this kind of stuff. And the last 10 minutes of the video is going to watch somebody do a hand over hand knot. That side, that's what I want on this side with this red bit. Oh, that's how you do it. That's what I wanted. And so the little ears, ish. Good enough. There, nature. If you don't find hidden gold under one stone, you turn up another. That is the philosophy of nature. Anyways, that is day 19, I think we're on. Oh, it's day 20. Wow. 10th Hugit. There we are. And what do we have next? 21 is going to be peeking out. And let's put all this together because I think we're changing. Are we? I don't know. These are all, this goes in here. Yeah, nope, we're gonna be doing that page tomorrow. Oh, this flip through is gonna be so fun. I'm looking forward to it. Anyways, that is all for now. Thanks for being with me. I always appreciate the company, and somebody to talk to means the world to me. It really does. Take care of yourself, stay out of trouble, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.